Why is this not coming off? You guys, look at me. There's a screw right there. All right, everyone, so we are about to replace our ice maker right here. This is a Samsung ice maker from Amazon. Our ice maker is not making ice no more, so we did do the heater gun, and then it worked for a little while, and then it freezes again and all of that stuff. Set the temperatures and all of that good stuff, you guys. So right now we're going to go ahead and take it apart, and I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. Now the professionals, they'll bring the multimeter in and all of that good stuff, the temp gun and all of that. I'm not doing all of that. I'm just going to go ahead and replace it and call it a day. Oh, and then the screw fell in. So we got that screw. That screw, where else? Where else? Okay, screw under here. All right, don't fall, don't fall. All right, so I've taken 3 screws out right now. All right, let me take these screws out on the bottom. This is my first time doing this, so wish me luck. All right, screw. All right, it feels like it wants to come off. I might need a pry bar, you guys. Hopefully I don't break this, because I'm pretty sure they don't got no replacement when it comes to this whole unit. All right, so it's coming off. Why is this not coming off? You guys, look at me. There's a screw right there. Oh my God. Oh goodness. There we go. Oh, now it comes out. Oh, you guys. But see, it's clipped right there, so it's like a little lip right here. So if you take one of these lips off from the side, should be good to go. Now I'm going to take the electrical off here. Oh, it came right on out. There we go. Whew. All right, so it was a little rough, but this goes up and down. All right, so this is where the water comes from right here. Okay, let me put the new one in. I'm done admiring right now. The new one is going in, and I will keep y'all posted if that solved my problem. Now we're gonna push this sucker back in. Okay. Watch your hands. All right. Push that back up and screw it back on. So I'll come back to y'all. If it makes ice, then I'll let y'all know. If it don't make ice, then I'll let y'all know. All right, you guys, we are basically almost 24 hours later, and oops. Well, I forgot to put the top on. But here we go. Now, of course, this is not a lot of ice. My wife did say she grabbed some ice this morning, and I just wanted to surprise y'all with that. But I have to put the top back on, so that way any ice that lands up there will come down. Okay, that's it, you guys. It works. Now I don't know if this will solve your problem. Okay, you will have to figure it out, diagnose, do what you have to do. Me, I just said I'm going to just get a new ice maker, and if that don't work, then I will just go ahead and use my warranty and call somebody to fix it. Okay. Because I looked at some channels, and some channels, they was using the multimeter, trying to figure out what electrical part was wrong. And I don't have time for that when it comes to appliances, you guys. I got a homeowner's warranty. The most I'll do is just go ahead and replace it myself. So yeah. So with the homeowner's warranty, I would have had to pay $100 for the what's that thing called? Basically the $100 fee when you get somebody to come and look at it and all of that stuff. All right. So that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.